Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. It's January 26th. It's the Monday after the big snowmageddon. And had a low this morning of about 1 degree. It's finally up to about 10 or 11 degrees and sun's shining. So I'm going to get the Derette V1000 out in the 4-in-1 hydraulic bucket and see if I can blade a little snow. So watch along and we'll see how good the Derette does playing in the snow. I got my truck out early this morning, but it's four-wheel drive. My brother-in-law is visiting from Indiana. He's been here for a few days, came in before the snow, but he's going to go visit some more family members today. So we're going to try to get the driveway cleared out so he can get out and go visit family. So watch along as we work on this. Got to get used to this 4-in-1 bucket. Well, there you have it, folks. It looks like you can blade snow with the Derette mini skid. I thought the 4-in-1 bucket would be better. It may be, maybe not. Probably my regular bucket would have been better. What would really be better is about a 4-foot to 5-foot angle blade. I'm going to be looking for one of them. It's not often that we get to blade snow in southeast Missouri, but I do think that a 4-way hydraulic blade would be much better for blading snow. I may try to find one of those. Either may order one from Derette one of these days, or may try to find one locally at an auction. But at least my brother-in-law can get his car out and go visit other family, and I got to head out here in just a little bit and take my dad to St. Louis for a doctor's appointment. So, hey, thanks for stopping by here at Haggett Hill and checking out what we're doing today. If you're not already, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to help the channel grow. And as I've said before, it don't cost you anything to subscribe, and if you don't like my content, I'll refund your money. Now, that's a deal. But I do appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for watching, and as always, God bless you and your family.